Okay, so we have a fairly simple backsplash to do. It's just going to be a white, well, it's actually a bisque 3x6 subway tile, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to install it on a running bond or brick pattern and grout it. Very simple. It's going to be quick, easy backsplash to do. So that's it. There's really nothing to this backsplash except for putting up the tile and grouting it. This is about a 4-hour project one day, and then come back the next day for an hour or so, or 2 hours, and grout it. You can put this up with mastic. There's no wet areas really here that you need to worry about. Thin set. It goes up really quick, really easy, and that's it. A 3-inch by 6-inch subway tile backsplash installed on a running bond, and that's all we have for this little job. Quick, easy, and done.